Hi, my name is Taron and welcome to Manhattan Beach Toyota. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the white blades on your car. If you have a vehicle like this with the plastic blades, it'll have a smooth surface here. Just bring the arm right up. We're going to lift the tab and we will slide this down the J-hook and remove the blade. Now you always want to return this back to its original position so it doesn't slap down and break the glass. Once you have the blade in your hand, we'll go ahead and turn it over and we'll slide the rubber end out, the insert. So once we have it out, you want to take out the metal rails because you'll be reusing these for the new insert. Then you take the new insert and you run your finger down each one to get the rail in place. You'll slide the new insert back into the blade, making sure to make all the contact points. Push it, lock it in place, tug it back and forth, make sure it's secure. Then we're going to lift the arm, make sure your tab's up, and we'll slide it back into the J-hook, lock it back into place, and there you go. You are all taken care of. If you run into any problems, just come see myself, Taron, or anybody else in the parts department or in service, and we'll be more than happy to give you a hand with this. Thank you for watching the videos and hope you have a great day.